Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope my all friends YouTube community will be fine and doing great. God bless you. First of all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear friends, I'm providing latest whimsical and gorgeous designs of flower pots for your balcony terrace. Dear friends, before get you started, don't forget to like and share this video if it is helpful for you. So subscribe my channel for more designs of indoor and outdoor decoration tips and tricks. Designing flower pots involves creativity and practical consideration to enhance the beauty of plants and complement your outdoor space. Choosing flower pots for balconies and terraces involves balancing aesthetic appeal with practical consideration. Here are some ideas such as size and shape, materials, color and style, self-portrait system. Vertical gardens, herb gardens are main key aspects for growing flowers in pots. Different option for pots that fit the available space without overcrowding. Tall, narrow pots can save floor space, while shallow or hanging pots are ideal for railings. Consider materials like lightweight plastic or resin for easy, or ceramic and terracotta for a more traditional look. Ensure the material is weather resistant if exposed to elements. Coordinate pots with your balcony or terrace decor. Bright colors can add vibrancy, while neutral tones create a sophisticated look. Mix and match different sizes and colors for visual interest. Dear viewers, if maintenance is a concern, choose pots with built-in self-watering systems to ensure plants receive consistent moisture. Utilize wall-mounted or hanging pots to maximize vertical space. Vertical gardens can be created with pocket planters or trellises for climbing plants. Small individual pots or herb planters can be grouped together for growing herbs conveniently near your kitchen. Consider the types of plants you want to grow and choose pots accordingly. Some plants may require deeper pots for root growth, while others thrive in shallower containers. By combining these ideas with your personal style preferences and the specific conditions of your balcony or terrace, you can create a delightful outdoor space filled with beautiful plants and flowers. So it's a humble request, please subscribe my YouTube channel. After subscribing my channel, you will receive latest and new updates related to home decoration and garden decoration tips and tricks. So be connected with me. Don't forget press the bell icon. I will meet you in my next video. I will bring a lot of amazing designs and share of decorations for you. So guys, take care. Allah Hafiz. Remember me in your prayers.